Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul for myself and a little bit for my sister. So I will point those things out as we go along. And this is from more than, I think it was 3 stores. Yeah. So this is one of the things she picked up. This is an audio splitter for your phone. $3.99. It's a headset splitter, so you know with the iPhone you can use that piece to split to whatever. Anyway, it's 1916390. So she picked that up. Not craft related, but you know, it was in the bag, so I'm just doing everything that's in the bag. So it's 2 dies. Let's get the 2 dies out of the way. This is the Spellbinders, and it is 10-piece Carnation Creations, and it is 204-7446-499. Spellbinders numbers, which I usually give out so people can check, see if you own that, or Google it and see if it's, you know, see some examples of it. S5049. Plus, the packaging may be different of the older dies, and it could be the same number. So, oh, that tape just feels so old. So, you check, make sure all 10 in there, and this is the size of the largest one. So you can see it in relation to my hand. So they do different sizes, but you can make these with some dimension. And these are the 3 little stems as well, like leaves, shall I say, not stems. So that's a 10-piece set. And again, that is what it looks like. And you can see the dimension. I don't know if you can see that on that picture, but you can curl those little leaves up and they're kind of frayed, not frayed, but just little scalped around the edges. And then, of course, this has been there forever, but I ended up picking up the Love Momenta die, and it's 1972000, $3.99, and that's the size of the Love die. So get that out the way. So the rest is a combination of stuff. She and I both got a pack of these sequins from Project Life, $1.49, 2079532. One for her, one for me. And then she picked this up. I know I own this stamp. I don't know if I own this part, but I know I own this in the red one, or whatever you call it. But this is a good one, good price, the Art Impressions. And it's 2079595 for $3.99. So she had a birthday thing she was trying to make for somebody. And the sticky paper house sticker set, enamel stickers, I picked that up $1.49, 2077846. And I just thought it was cute with a little dress and a nail polish, just a little girly stuff. I thought they were kind of cute. So it was a 15-piece sticker set. And I own like 4 or 5 of these, so she picked her one up. This was 2055790. So she's going to use this, what she said she was going to use it for some iCads and some ATCs, which I think are perfect for those, even Memorex cards, but she doesn't make those yet, but I've been trying to get her into it. 2055790. So you've probably already seen that at your TM, and she picked this one up too. This one is Dear Lizzie, and it's 2057296, 148 little sentences or phrases like please this punch, be clever, happy thoughts, heck yes, different things like that. Again, you can use those on pretty much any kind of art stuff. This one as well, 2079154, and this is Jen Hatton Party Wood, and they had just put those out when we picked those up. Best day ever, it's good to be me, enjoy the little things, life is good. So nice sentiments. And the here and there, and this is 2079202. Well, I don't know if you saw that one up close, I'm sorry. That's what that looks like. And so these are the puffy stickers. A little dimension to those. Oops, drop this stuff. And some ephemera packs. Tons of ephemera packs. So we are going to be splitting, well, some of them, well, let me see, a couple of those are totally mine, and then a couple that we're splitting. This one is mine because I have the paper pack to go with it, and this is 2079207, the Sunshine. And this is Amy Tangerine. I had that paper pack, so this is some of the stuff, and this is what they look like. Jen Hatton, this one, actually this one is hers, but you can see. And this one is 207-9156, and that is $1.99. And this one is 207-1826, and this is Pebbles, same price again. And you can kind of see those. She's giving me some of those out of there. And this is another one she got. This one was $2.19. 207-3196. Not sure, I guess, because they're both. This one has more hearts on it than this one does, so I don't know. They're both 40. Wow, one $1.99 and one is $2.19. But again, oh, I see. I'm sorry. Check the dates. That was 12/18, and this is 1/19, so that's fine. They went up January. Okay, so that's what those look like. But it just put both of them out at the same time because the other one wasn't there. She also got this Aubrey Lane Pink Paisley, 207-9231, 40-piece set. She got this Project Life Explorer 47-piece set, includes gold foil, and it's 207-9524. Alright, so let's go through some of these stamps. And we finally got them. They were slow in getting them in my store. And by the time this video up, it's probably still going to be a few days late, but we got this last week. I already had this before, but she picked it up. 207-9635 for $3.99. I got that one. They had this one in another tag set that came out a while back. It was just random in the store, and I got it when they had it. It was only like one or two. And this one was the other already, and I got this one too when they had that one. So she's gonna take this one back and use mine. So 20796, I guess 39, because part of the number is erased, but that's the camera one as well. I actually got mine from AC Moore. So then this next one, the cupcake. This one was mine at 207-9636 for $3.99. This is hers, 207-9619. So just a mix, you know, media kind of stuff that you could do a lot of different things for background stamps and stuff like that. She also got this one, excuse me, it's late. Vintage Icons, 207-9623 for the same reason, for her, you know, mixed media kind of stuff, or just the backgrounds on ATCs and iCads and stuff like that. She's the one who turned me on to all those things. This one is also for her husband, and this is 207-9621. It's a Navy guy. He retired for the Navy. This one's mine, and this is Mama Elephant, 207-9645. And I thought it was cute, the little bear. I mean, doggy puppy, excuse me. And I put all these pictures up on Instagram probably a week by the time, well, maybe almost a week by the time you see them. See this video. And I got this hot air balloon, 207-9637. This one's mine, Faith Greetings. So it's $3.49, 207-9590, and it's like the different sentiments and the different fonts. You got hope, peace, love. You got sentiments like let your faith be bigger than your fear. Faith is knowing. Faith is knowledge within the heart, beyond the reach of whatever. I can't read this stuff. God's answers are wiser than our prayers. you were given this life because you were strong enough to live it. But anyway, so basically you get the idea. These are some positive, encouraging, scriptural type based sentiments. I found this first. We both like it. I don't have any number stamps per se. I got a couple dies. I have some, the little ones, and they don't really stick good, but we agreed to kind of share this one because she likes this for the backgrounds to make numbers and stuff, and I do too. So we'll just use it together, even though we in different states. 2079600. And then these two I got from me for planner. I actually kind of got them from my mom, but in case she doesn't use them, then I keep them. But I just got her a planner and stuff, so I'm gonna see if she's gonna stamp. I don't know if she is. I brought them to give them to her, see if she's gonna try it. She said she'll try it. She might not, which means she'll give them back to me if she doesn't. But that was my intent, to get her to be able to decorate her calendar and her budget planner. 2079632. She's more into writing the numbers than she is probably the decorative part of it. And this one is 2079622. But I said, well, hey, you never know unless you try it. So I just thought it might be something for her to kind of start trying. So this one I picked up in hopes to find the stamp set, but of course the stamp set wasn't there. But so it may go back if I don't find it, but we'll see. 2067936, and this is the blossom, because you know they do them in waves. And this is the last one. My sister and I both like this, so we got it, trying to see, we'll both use it. 2067921, and it comes with a stencil as well, and that's the peacock. And I do have embossing photos that can go with that as well. She picked this up 2079150. I actually have a single sheet of this that I got from, I think, Joann's, when they had some, like, how many sheets for $1, whatever it was, a while back. But she liked it, and she just wanted to use some of these cut aparts. She wanted to try some different things with them, so she got them. And of course, that means she's gonna use all 25. So I'm sure she's gonna give me some, right? I'm sure she'll give me a couple of those. Same thing with these two. See, sometimes you gotta go in the store. She's sitting right here, and you got to. She ain't listening to me though. But you gotta encourage people to get things that you know they're gonna share with you. Like she does me the same way. This is the graphic 45. She likes it for the little images, the strips. I like it just also to have the background, just to use it as paper. But this is hers, but she agreed to give me a couple of sheets if I need it. 2071242, which I already have the paper pad, but for $3.99. But that was for her, and she agreed to share with some people that she works with. And same thing with this one. This vintage one as well, and it is 2071245. She actually liked it for the number side, even though she could use this, but she actually liked the number side for what she plans to do with it. I don't know what it is, but some kind of art stuff. Oh, and then the last thing was this chipboard, the Wild Heart one, 2079216, and this one is mine, and it says Paradise and Wild Heart. You're one of a kind. So it's 69 chipboard stickers. You got, you know, some iridescent leaves and real life, some banners, elephants. So you just got different stuff that you can use in here as well. So that is my haul and my sister's haul combined together. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.